Hello guys, today we got a 16 kg smart inverter LG turbo drum washer, and I'm going to show you how to clean the drain. So sometimes you might notice that your machine is supposed to go into the spin cycle and it's taking a long time to change, or it's supposed to change from wash cycle to rinse and it's taking a long time to release the water. So most times is the drain that is blocked or clogged with lint. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Now in doing this, you have to make sure that you have something like something to put to set, just in case you have any water running out, right? So when you're doing this, you want to always make sure that you have something to catch the little water that will be in it. And what I have here is just a little calcium buildup. Remove that with my hands. There's nothing to worry about, just a little calcium buildup. Got a piece of metal in there. We'll see if I can open there. That's all of that came from out of it. I'm gonna remove that hose for a minute also and see if anything. But right now, I don't feel anything else in it. So I'm gonna go underneath. See if you guys can see that. That's how in there it looks. So this is fairly clean, nothing beyond the ordinary. And now I'm just gonna see what's happening in this section where the hose connects. And it's all good, very clean. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's all good, all clean. And just add a little debris and a little calcium buildup. So I'll put it back together now. And this is why my channel is called Technical Hands-On, because I can't be holding a camera in my hand. So I have to wear it because my hands will always be busy and I ain't got no video man right now. Yeah. So you want to make sure that you put it back just the way it should be. You don't want to have any leaks, because then that would be a problem, right? And then you just go ahead and put this back on and just clear this calcium that built up in it as much as I can. And this won't cause any problems really, but since as I'm here, I just get rid of what I can. And please guys, check out my Patreon channel, my Patreon link. I do some different things there. I'm looking for some Patreon subscribers, so please check out my Patreon. The link is in the description, and my Vizio link is in the description also, so please check them out. Alright, that's it guys. Not much was in it. So that's how you clean the drain for your washer, and this is a LG washer. Thank you, like and subscribe.